If you stick a steel sponge to a plastic bottle, you will only want to shine your pans and pots in this way. This time, I bring you two fabulous tricks that you will love to know. The first trick is very useful to protect your hands when we are using a steel sponge to remove the grease from the pans. And for the second trick, I will teach you how you can use a bottle as an alternative to your bathroom when the shower is open. So if you want to discover these tips, I invite you to stay until the end. To perform our first trick, we will get a bottle and remove the plastic sticker. Then get a scissors or a knife and cut the plastic bottle in the next area, as I'm showing you on the screen. Now take advantage and tell me in what country you are watching my video to send you a special greeting in the next one. Today's greeting is dedicated to Jessica Santander from Denmark. Thanks for watching and enjoying every tip. The next thing we will do is create 2 holes in the lid of the plastic bottle. In my case, I am going to do it using a hot welder, and I made the holes this way. Then get some narrow leaves or elastic bands that you have saved. In my case, I just took them from a mask by cutting the edges. First, you must insert them through the center of the shine of the washer. Then you will pass it through this part of the plastic bottle where we made the holes. You will insert both ends in the holes of the lid of the plastic bottle as I show you. And in this way, we will have our hand protector ready, which will help us when we have to shine the pans and pots. Because when it is done without protecting the hands, many times they tend to come out affected. And for our second trick, the first thing we will do is get a marker, and we will draw a circle in the plastic bottle as follows. We will take a needle, and we will make holes in the entire area of the circle that we draw. Remember that if you are enjoying this video, you can do it and reach your friends and family. For the next step, we will need a lighter. We will heat the mouth of the plastic bottle to be able to insert the hose of the shower water well. Remember that this is a cheap and not very aesthetic alternative that you can use when your shower head is damaged and you do not have the spare one at hand. And in this way, you will already have your home shower, which will get you out of a hurry very quickly. So now I would like to know below which of these 2 tricks was your favorite. And if you made it this far, you can keep up to date with all our videos by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for getting here. A hug, and until the next video.